This is Short Bible Stories, where ancient words come alive. In just a few minutes, journey through powerful moments of faith, courage, and redemption. The Bible, one short story at a time. Welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on a transformative journey, reading the Bible in just 1 year. It may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's entirely achievable. Let's dive into the steps to make this year-long adventure spiritually rewarding and manageable. First, choose a Bible that suits your understanding. Whether it's the King James Version or a contemporary translation, ensure it resonates with you. Consider a study Bible with insightful notes and commentary. Next, follow a structured plan. There are numerous one-year Bible reading plans available. You can choose a chronological plan, reading the Bible as events occurred, or a thematic one, exploring specific topics. Allocate a specific time daily. Consistency is key. It could be early morning, during lunch, or before bed. Choose a time that fits your daily routine, making it part of your lifestyle. It's vital to find a quiet environment, free from distractions, allowing you to immerse fully in the Word. Don't rush. Take time to meditate on the passages. Reflect on their meanings and how they apply to your life. Journaling can be highly beneficial, enabling you to note insights and prayers, tracking your spiritual growth. Joining or forming a Bible study group can provide support and motivation. Sharing interpretations and insights with others can offer new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Set realistic expectations. It's okay if you miss a day. Just pick up where you left off. Remember, the goal is spiritual growth, not merely finishing the text. Prayer is a powerful companion to Bible reading. Pray for understanding and guidance before you begin, opening your heart to God's message. Technology can assist your journey. Use Bible apps with reading plans and reminders. Audiobooks or podcasts can be great for listening during commutes or while exercising. They're wonderful supplements to your reading. Celebrate milestones. Completing books or sections deserves acknowledgement. Rewarding yourself can keep motivation high and spirits uplifted. Remember, this journey is personal. It's about connecting with God's Word and understanding its profound messages. You're not just reading a book, but engaging with divine teachings that have shaped lives for centuries. And there you have it, your guide to reading the Bible in a year. We hope this plan inspires and energizes your spiritual walk. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy reading. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels here on YouTube. They are Hard Biblical Questions, Top 10 Most Loved Bible Verses, and Senior Life Simplified. Please check them out. I think you will like them. Thank you, and God bless.